All right, so this one, it is a list of values. And so I'm gonna have to use the fancy brackets here. If you're not sure how to do fancy brackets, it's not too bad. Just do an S to open it up and then a 2. That's kind of a crappy S and 2, but I'm still okay with it. Now, it doesn't matter which order you list these in, okay? So I'm just looking for the X values for the domain, right? So I can see that this point right here corresponds with -6. And I'm just working from left to right. That's gonna put them in the list from least to greatest, but you don't have to. This point corresponds with the next value that's -4. This one corresponds with the next value that's -2. This one corresponds with the next value that's 1. And then finally, this point corresponds with the next value that is 2. Then we need some fancy brackets to close that. And so it's a 2, then an S right there. That one turned out better. Now here's the thing, is on a test that's written, if you do not show fancy brackets, minus a point. Next up is the range. So I'm going to open up a square, some fancy brackets. So there's an S, there's a 2. I don't know if that's better, but I'll still take it. I'll start from the bottom again and move my way up so I can see the lowest point there corresponds with the Y value that's -8. Next one, that's a -7. Sorry, those are kind of small, but I can barely see them. The next one I see corresponds with the Y value that's 4, and then a +8, and then finally a +9. So I have listed these in order from least to greatest just because of the order that I went in, but you don't have to. And then again, closing the bracket, it's a 2, then an S. That's a crappy S, but I'll still take it.